possibilities.
Yamo bibia a chance and say mo bibia akaba de achia bia kokroko ani ene eye benada August bosomne da etoso enan ai yeda nyankopon ase na bibia wo bia nso no mechia wo mede nchia kase pa na fi Coastal TV fiti ye director so in fact fiti ye CEO so ekopem staff ni nyina so ene yede nchia kase fi studios ase yede ema obebia obia ejidi se nyame adum ntino ohoye oda so ewo ahoden ene se divine selection no ebi akan ede na megidi se bebia obia anso no ebi akan eha eye Coastal TV efia asafe na wode o channel no ato ha se ya eye 514 and eye digital channel 514 sanso ene live and colored Facebook and YouTube ti Mr. Sebo modern ase obekọ ho na fe wuju Facebook a o de type Coastal TV Cape Coast Coastal TV Cape Coast on sabeka ye ewo ho na se wuju Facebook eswa na wahwehwe Coastal TV hwehwe Coastal TV na ubehu ye ewo ho morning mix jumedie na ye de brew nti bo modern ase on so review akonyanim anaso se on sesa channel no ewo baby a onya link ne so na wa che de ama obi send mo obi forward mo obi na ni parudo na so ehu se Coastal TV morning mejumedie no ye de ahya so e wo fi ase kra newly improved edition Tuesday's edition and here dey bro and then no ye in-house and outside house nti ye first episode e wo fi ase tu hu se settings ni ade nyina ya bo nkonya yesisi nkonya hye table so de na ye betena se wa ase ya had de no ye in-house episode ani ewia e beko outside na outside de no mebo mu nchemu e de ama enche kra mechirechire mamu ahu de ye kwa akoye no e wo outside hinti acha by 8:30 de e wo say yempon free ha say na yenko outside na yenko ye outside version don't worry mechirechire mu ahu ne ye kwa akoye e wo outside midi eye AFIBA ESSIEN anope kame ho na yemfa motivational message and as say nkranhensem a Coastal TV ye wo ema ye ho no yemfa enhye ase anope all right enti ene yasem no ye befa every mame Oprah Winfrey wa winim Oprah Winfrey no a very popular musician a gospel musician ono na oka asem bi na no pe mi pese yemienu ye dwendwen ho na ye hwe kwan ye befa so be boa me no mienu ya brabo o say you define your own life, don't let other people write your scripts. You define your own life, don't let other people write your scripts. Okay, ya kasa script ye den se bia ye twasene ye video bi ana ye program bi kra na na mpo se me fa ne se obi kwa akoma speech I want say it make sure speech no e de ma no nti speech wo kwa kase sa na se wo ba e bia studio ha se atete ne meti ha me kase e bia na me wo script bi e de manim na che se nsema a meka ni nyina no matro ni nyina agu krata so eno ne script ni nti bia me fa ne se in the first 1 minute no we na meka second minute and asa 2 minutes later no na maka we 3 minutes later no meye we eno any script che se bibia me hwe so na me de aye presentation no pay me by the way mini script bia ai into no scripts sana etre into so because the script of your life and now our brabo script na che say wa brabo no the way be see aye at any point in time Into no, let's say we are colano near we ye teenager near we obey youth this one near we ebi am fan say obey parents near we bo akokra na bo abrewa so near we eno ne script no eno ene script no enti anope operating free per se yeti ase se abrabo we mu na ye wo mu no wo ni nipa obetimi atro script na ma ho e ma obi ntro ma wo ni nipa obetimi atro se mabrabo ebekọ left and ebekọ right e ma obi entro ma ba cho yati ase enti no at any point in time say we akwala even say we baby in fact say bia we akwala be 9 months ne de bia na won sheda ni a lot of control enti na nkofo trust script ne de ma o ma me na be kire say we be di we be hye we be ko ha we be yesei o ma me na be kire enti am the script ne ni unsem but if you say we ni fie a wan kasa wo sha say we make certain decisions so sha say wo fa a dream be on your own no sa scripts na be odia obi antimi ntwoma o ma me ntimi ntwoma papa ntimi ntwoma enti anopei sa wo ye wa adwen say ubekọ adwuma script ni hye wonsem sa wo nkọ adwuma so script ni hye wonsem aye wa script una be kire say ena mekọ adwuma na me nkọ adwuma ne mom hwe na hu say umma obi foforo enkire wo ne wo nye umma obi foforo enka nche wo say we na wo sa wo nye ana so say we na ni say wo ye what you say enti say abrabo na wo bo no wo benye sika da achi a script ni hye wonsem wo be hiani a script ni hye wonsem say obeye junkie obehwe ntampe ne ade a script na hye wonsem obenya teenage pregnancy a ana unwanted pregnancy a script ni hye wonsem obetimi aba be bo sa degree na wo hwehwe no masters na wo hwehwe no professor doctorate degree no obetimi enya script no hye ni sem say school no obekọ a say wo nko ni nyina hye wonsem se ubenya apomuden papa de atena abra ewia se anaso se wapomuden no beto na jeje ni nyinara ehye wonsem obia ni ho betimi aka se we na me pesa wonye ana this ebia wo hye nkwasum na slavery no kra ye abolish ye some years ago what you say ana emani pantutu ngu wasum ana e wo se wonye we na obia ye ntino enye we na obia ye na wo de be ye adwuma ho your life is in your own wabrabo ehye wonsem and you be an about script no the amount what you say enti sa no pay me ne wo ene operating free ebeye adwen ne opeso kan say you define your own life baby wabrabo be kwa akosi baby ebefa se be chia se be straight wo na wo be determine o na wo be kire se enye sa. Don't let other people write your script. A man crofo, a mo bi otin chen, a mo bi a winning me a wukumu, a mo bi a winning wo experience nibi, a mo bi a won fire quine na wo nam sono. Onipa no on fire say quine na wo nam sono. O hu sa mane na wo hu no. Sebi o pepe bi enhihye nanim. Te se ne pepe akokọ hye wo wani as no. Oni wo experience no ho hwe ya. A man ntwe o script emfa ma. A man nche baby a wo wabrabo ebeko pachoyati asesa good na anope Coastal TV asama ye pese ye ka ye de chiro ama enne de no ye de sha se fefefe we na ye de sha se enra ye ka chiro se ade ba ko pe betimi asi okwan ama oda ye so no entimi mbam ewo ehu a sometimes eboye enam se ye feel se anhwa ne ye di ngugu anhwa ne ye fail no eno ne ye ka che ne ye ka che se script a wabrabo script no ehye wankasa wonsem te bekoyi a ejina wo so enkoyi so a ejina wo so Coastal TV morning makes jumedie na uguso a wo hwe no channel no eye digital 514 Samsung and live and colored Facebook and YouTube. But what they say over social media channels no follow pacho wasembisa wasembika but within neja a comment section no ase ebe bolding na ya kenkan ye di amount ye ntwa ye honje abafo nkrato but of course I was see etie enwum so and very necessary and very important it is etie enwum ni wi ana fe ya je abafo nkrato kakra ifi ho ne ye ba ye wakase ebo mienu miensa bia ye de beto omanfo anim na ye wi a ene ye bedi mpoano nkomo we fi ase ane ansa na ye bekọ akoye outside episode no ye bedi mpoano nkomo e wo fi ase nti bo modin ase wunyi we fidie no emfi ase ye kwaba sese a
energy, oh, energy, if energy. Yeah. Bounce, 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 bounce. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, say, give me all your, give me all your, give me all your, give me all your. Bounce, 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 bounce. Hey, hey, say, give me all your, give me all, give me all your, give me all your.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafa ngo no e na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafa ngo wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone e wo apomeden sem so fango so e ho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom ama na gise ewom e ba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpo a hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Afe kame hona yemfa anopa kasebo no emfa ensumo anopa yi ensema obete ewo kasebo no emu ene se eye University of Cape Coast abomode enya chancellor and say vice chancellor say no oba beboa chancellor ama omodi djuma ewo school mu ho. Sanso ena University of Cape Coast Corona so eye mpanyfo abomoden alonche eye dwumedie bia yato ndin se e-campus eno so yedimu enchemu ebebremu yekọ nananom atena nkonwa enso a eye Central Regional House of Chiefs enso a omanya howo kese a eye the Vice President of Ghana etutu anamo ababe srawo mu ewo mfimfini mantam ha se yede no so mu nchemu yede bebre yetefo ene yahwefo sanso ena yebekọ eye edwaman so ne yakọ akọhwe ene eye the 4th of August for price ahodo a ewo ho no yede ni nyina ba beto omanfo enim. Makanisano na yenhye ase ewo eye University of Cape Coast UCC na ne na dada no na se kane no munim se Professor Dennis Wolanyo ayeto oye acting vice chancellor se no yeyi acting afri ho amana ba beye UCC vice chancellor chodo se no fe na emfa acting emfa enka ho mpanyfo eye nhwehwemu na omoye na omohwe ni dwuma no no muhu se ampa osafata se yeyi acting free ho na emomu no yede ni si ho se vice chancellor na odi dwuma no edema eye UCC na chancellor a oda University of Cape Coast ano eye owura anaso se Dr. se Sam Eson Jonah ono NS Chancellor Emma University of Cape Coast na oju dwumadie no ase na okasa ewo dwumadie no ase no na ochem se Vice Chancellor Dibra yede ama eye Professor Wolanyo ahetoi ene Dibra bi a eye edin keke na emoma so obomodin se ode ahobrase ene odo ene akomapa ebedi omanfo the school for mpanyfo professors any students ni nyina enim na we no eye bibia ewo so obomodin pa se nkrofo anaso se adesuafo a ye hwe omo anaso ye tete omo ewo University of Cape Coast no omo nim de ebekọ anim enkanka se AI artificial intelligence ya abeye ewo so obomodin se ekwan bi obefa so obehye mukina ama school for adesuafo ene achechefo nyina so etimi enya so mfaso wo school mu ho no Omomoden say obeye ne saa Ediama University of Cape Coast.
I'm proposing today that the University of Cape Coast becomes the first university in Africa to build a full faculty of degree awarding vocational education in applied skills with the rigor of the academy and the soul of the workshop. Let's imagine it. A Bachelor of Applied Skills in Renewable Systems where no graduate who has not personally installed and maintained a working solar installation will pass. A degree in Coastal Aquaculture Enterprise building on the strengths and features that Prosahito has built, where the final exam is a functional fish farm, audited like any other business. Degrees in construction, in agri-food, in care and community health, in the creative industries, and yes, in human AI collaboration, training the technicians who will supervise the machines. Every program co-designed with industry. Every student spending sandwich semesters inside the Vivian Enterprises, the German way, and every assessment authentic, not describe a pump. Here is a broken pump. The village is waiting. Fix it. That is our question. The certificate and the competence reunited at last. Listen, when let this debate begin in every corner of this country, I will welcome it. Our country itself, indeed, must become the laboratory, the cocoa farm, the fishing harbor, the hospital, the small enterprise are not merely places to which knowledge is later applied. They are places from which knowledge is later, from which knowledge is generated. When universities, industry, government, and communities work on the same real projects, research becomes useful, teaching becomes current, and innovation acquires a customer. That faculty will take time and money and honest debate, but we should not wait. We should begin. And let me offer 3 steps this university can take immediately. Deliberately modest in cost, deliberately ambitious in consequence. First, an AI club devoted to building real things. I propose a student hub, AI club. Let us give the abbreviation a second meaning, not only artificial intelligence, but actual impact. Not seminars about AI, but building with it. Students identifying real problems in this very community and constructing working solutions with regular competitiveness judged on one question. Does the thing you built actually work? There is no teacher quite like the attempt to make something that works. Second, mentorship from our diaspora. Ghana's greatest export has never been gold or cocoa. It is our talent. Our sons and daughters are today building this same system I'm talking about in world's leading laboratories. And the technologies that created this talent has dissolved the distance. Let us deliberately connect our students with Ghanaian and African AI experts abroad to mentor project teams.
Afe your penny pie, you don't know, it's here, so anasa Yaboni Din say or no, and your Vice Chancellor Emma University of Cape Coast, Professor Dennis Walanyo Aheto, and so Edina Nudinsem Etuja. Na Ochemu say, Ampa dwumadi a de ahye ne se dwumadi kese nanso bebo ne homodin bia se one eye ankrako enyumaiko kwakuo teachers for any student bodies I was school mo nyina no ebeka bom aye adwuma so kokra se ne be ya 4 years a de ahye ne se omra medi se vice chancellor Emma University of Cape Coast no obeboa ama sikasem eye leadership research any academic and ase adesua ho nsem asiye e wo UCC.
Leadership at this level is not simply about administration, it is about vision. It is also about stewardship and service. It is about ensuring that the University of Cape Coast continues to thrive as a center of excellence in teaching, learning, research, and extension services while maintaining relevance within the ever global evolving higher education landscape. Sir Chancellor, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I am mindful of the expectations of our stakeholders, faculty, staff, students, alumni, partners, and the wider society. These expectations will require us to consolidate the gains we have made over the years, to innovate boldly, to expand our impact. Together, we must strengthen our academic programs, deepen our research output, and enhance our community engagements whilst ensuring that UCC remains a lighthouse of knowledge, illuminating the path for Ghana, Africa, and the world. Sir Chancellor, I wish to report that on the 24th of September 2025, the University Governing Council, in compliance with the directive that Ghana Tertiary Education Commission (GTEC) issued on the 19th September 2025, appointed me to serve as in the interim as the acting Vice Chancellor of this great university. During the period, I worked very tirelessly and closely with the Governing Council, management, staff, lecturers, students, and all stakeholders with God's guidance to ensure a peaceful and inclusive transition. The Breaking Initiative is designed to enhance UCC's global visibility, expanding international student recruitment, strengthen operational efficiency, and enable the scalable growth of our academic programs. Sir Chancellor, our friends from the media, I am delighted to report that the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission (GTEC) has granted approval for the establishment of the UCC campus in partnership with Astra Learning. I am delighted to report that the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission (GTEC) has granted approval for the establishment of the UCC campus in partnership with Astra Learning. I am pleased to announce that approximately 36 cutting-edge master's, PhDs, and Doctor of Business Administration programs have already received accreditation from GTEC. With marketing and publicity of the program currently ongoing. Among the exciting new programs to be offered in addition to some existing programs are MSc Cybersecurity, MBA Sustainability and Governance Management, DBA, that's Doctor of Business Administration in Financial Analysis and Management, PhD Artificial Intelligence, Sir Chancellor, PhD in Artificial Intelligence and Digital Transformation. Just to mention a few, please visit ecampus.ucc.edu.gh for more information on the Vice Chancellor's initiative. The first cohorts, I'm pleased to announce, are expected to be enrolled for the 2026-2027 academic year.
At any time, break this oath of office.
I shall submit myself
I shall submit myself
to the statutes of the University of
to the
Cape
statutes of the University of Cape Coast
and suffer the penalty
and
for it.
suffer the penalty for it.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Dwumadie no ase no so eye osuafo a ohwe enwumasua so etu na namtini ama obegina mu ama no eye owura anase Mr. Abdullahi Junapo eno ana obegina mu ama osuafo a ohwe enwumasua eso na ono odenano dinsem etudwa na ochre eye University Council ne se omomodin se omode omakoma omade nyina ebetai eye new vice chancellor now so vice chancellor fufra ye no ama ECC omode omakoma nyina ebeta nachi na aniso ade hunu biara owo ema ECC ene pomponso a opese ode ECC ekokodu no watimi adu ho.
The University of Cape Coast in its mission to produce graduates of character and competence, and ensuring that the degrees awarded by this great institution remain credible and respected across the world. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the investiture of a vice chancellor is not merely a ceremonial passing of the baton. It is a renewal of the covenant between the university and the people of Ghana. It is a reaffirmation of the belief that education is the bedrock of national development. To the university community, the alumni and the students alike, I say, rally behind your new vice chancellor. Support him with your ideas, your energy, and your commitment to excellence. To the students, remember that the education received here is not just for your personal advancement, but for the advancement of our nation and our continent. Once again, to the new Vice Chancellor, Professor Denis Awala, I say, you stand on the shoulders of giants. The foundation has been laid. The road has been paved. Now it is your turn to lead. Lead with vision, lead with integrity, lead with compassion, and lead with the unwavering belief that the University of Cape Coast can and will be a beacon of excellence for generations to come. In 1962, a seed was planted on this coast. The seed has grown into a mighty tree, a tree whose branches have spread across Ghana, across Africa, and across the world. Today, as we invest a new Vice Chancellor, we are not just celebrating an individual, we are celebrating the enduring vision of an institution that has shaped the minds of countless Ghanaians and contributed immensely to the development of our nation, Ghana. Chancellor Sir Sam Jonah, your presence here today is a testament to your commitment to this university and to the future of tertiary education in Ghana. We are deeply honored by your leadership.
Yeguswa yejina eye University of Cape Coast UCC eho na sesi ameno kasa school ponin ene edwumakuo bia ye form se astral learning en abkabom aye nhyehyɛ bia yato ne din se e-campus model we no enam abefo ntintan so ene AI so ebeboa ama omanfo a ewo achichichi a omontimi ntua na mon ema UCC school mu ho ema media desua no ombetimi ayesa ewo ntintan kese no eso mekyerɛ online no eso na we no mpanyfo echem se ebeboa ama research no omatimi ebie research emu ebesan so aboa ama desuafo so eho aharo mu kakra na ena no nkwan so ebesan so aboa ama desua ene agekyerɛ mapa enso akoso ewo school mu ho na eye vice chancellor ema University of Cape Coast Professor Denis Wolanyo Aheto echemu se we no ebeboa pa esan se ewiase ne yehwe a se na esi ekono bibia aye abefo sese no ehokra hia se ubetu anamo ekwan tenten no aba UCC school mu ho ansana wanya adesua anansa se certificate a wo hwehwe no wonsa aka nti we no aya ade bia ebeboa omanfo no papa osanso echemu se se ehwe de bia anansa tibia UCC akwakoju sesei ewo ewiase afa na nyina se na wesiesi agine din na we eye bibi so a ebeboa ama adesua ene adesua papa homasua papa mo pese mo de bre o manfo no ebetimi akọ nanim pa.
Partnership represents a strategically sound and forward-looking opportunity for the University of Cape Coast. This initiative will usher our university into a new era of digital innovation, broadening access to quality education, and reinforcing our standing as a leader in higher education across Africa. UCC has long distinguished itself as a pioneer in distance education, expanding access to learners across Ghana and beyond. As the leading university in Ghana and West Africa, we are uniquely positioned to extend our rich academic heritage to students worldwide through this digital platform. The partnership aims to enroll the first cohort of students by October 2026, and I'm happy to also indicate that we have received policy approval from GTEC to also advertise, initiate the advertisement. Over the past few weeks, you could see that UCCE campus has been on social media and people have been commenting asking whether that was real. It is indeed real. I'm pleased to announce that approximately 36 cutting-edge masters, PhDs, and Doctor of Business Administration programs have already received accreditation. This makes the University of Cape Coast the first university in Ghana and West Africa to run a fully 100% virtual university. Among the new exciting programs to be offered in addition to some existing are MSc Cybersecurity, MBA Sustainability and Governance Management, Doctor of Business Administration in Artificial Intelligence, Doctor of Business Administration in Cybersecurity and Information Assurance, Doctor of Business Administration in Financial Analysis and Management, PhD in Artificial Intelligence and Digital Transformation, just to mention a few. Please visit the ecampus.ucc.edu.gh for more information. Distinguished Chair and ladies and gentlemen, I wish to once again assure our stakeholders that the establishment of the UCCE campus does not replace any of the university's existing modes of program delivery. Our regular sandwich and distance education programs will continue to operate as before. The e-campus is therefore an additional pathway that expands access to quality higher education for working professionals and students who, for one reason or the other, cannot come to campus. It will enhance flexibility for learners and position the university to meet the evolving demands of higher education in the digital age, and also address one of the critical challenges we face with student accommodation.
Astra Learning penyi bakwa odi womanim ebeju University of Cape Coast UCC Dr. Jeff Borders enso ede nanu disem etudwa na ochemu se we no akwanya kese pa na abama disuani bia se wo school mu hodada wo se afi na opese oba na wo so besua ade o akwanya kese na aba ade ama obi anti obi amomodin se obeyisi sa campus learning model na abua na ne ho ahare no kakra na oda anaso se obo UCC mpanyfo ene adesuafo ni nyina so abaso se omatimi akomanim na omopese omoye bibi e fen se campus learning ni nyina se technology akonanim ewiase no akonanim te emreda na e wo se wankasa so da no ho bi.
A long time, a higher degree in this country and has meant that you have to sacrifice something in exchange for it. Today, we're proud to say this has changed. The UCC campus is live, and it's going to allow professionals from all around the world, not just Ghanaians, to come in and pursue a higher education. And we did that in such a record-breaking time under the right leadership, under the right team. So I want to give a round of applause for all the people in the room who made this happen. From this morning, you can earn a Cape Coast University degree fully online without leaving your job, your city, or your family. The same university, the same faculty, and the same academic standards. And this has made UCC one of the most respected universities, not just in Ghana, but in West Africa. Matter of fact, when we met with the Vice Chancellor, we were signing an MOU with Makerere University. And we're looking for a partner that can help handle the operation for West Africa. And we're proud to say UCC, is that better? Thank you so much.
When in Zambia, also a brand na campus model UCC and the Astra Learning at the Ababetuja UCC eno. Yet was so ewo in some fufu man near Quaco Piemu ewo nananum atina kunya miche, in mantem nananum atina kunya. Na Vice President Emma Ghana, Professor Jane Nana Opoko Ajima Bomodin atutu anamo atiti and chacha umu ababesha nananum ewo regional House of Chiefs. Na Ojuhano and na obo nananom abaso pa esan se eye support a omode ma NDC amanyoko no bra na omopese omobeje akonwa kese no na omudi Ghana so no in fact ochire mu se nananom eye ade pa eboa wo mpaibo ene wo afutu a omode ma wo no eno na ama NDC amanyoko no etimi enya side bra etisei na okoso echire mu ananse odeto nananom enema a omatimi aye ewo aban mu ne omopese omokoso na omoye esre se omomodin na omonta omachi omomfa mpaibo enka omo se ne beya eniso ade hunu ni nyina ebetumi abamu
Central region elejuma ho na no nimdo ho nyina ho o botuma bom nyina yebobom na nti ebatodo he ye han ye odo de bia ye o se ne nyina sabe anyimpa no into one plans na work and ye share lecture and ya the plans ni za share manifesto no asa ye kada ye I don't know, it's very easy. O se na ndam tisi ya so KPI since ya wo juma wo ye nka na mo na aban ye twem e ka ye juma ye be shege me na ye ne ahye no ho afiti o de juma before dan one plans so kan ho a no man sama no wa kontan da me ne time ti ya mane ye ba na ye ko na ye ba ono se da plan ye so ye juma there ye for ye juma nda che e botu ye da juma ana me ye ye ndele ko botu ya dandan o se na nananom na work there inu no da we da America no nananom ye botu ho oho no ho ito oho ne da ho ito nananom ye ba so se won kodo na no ye na nan so da ma won cheche ho anya ni ndi be ye ba ka de ndi ye ba ze ne yi ka krebi na nyame o za dum ho ye da na na nya ko no za dum ho o za dum ni na so ito bi je da e bo cheche ni na dum ni na ye ni na bi ya ko ban ku ke bi ya so akoye amani na Inti nana da America akwani biyo ha oya tete Central region akwanda amaka saba campaign no ha ni hiye yana kwa ya zakawa kwano masu ne ya kai ni na pendi ya bene kaka do mo nyime NDC ya nzama progressively yebo yele ni shine hu de oya ha ite ba se ho na bota na wani hina nanso na ya baya ewu da sese kin kampo ba ebo wura Central regional po wa ya nightmare nsu kaka ti me sese o wa so no kwa se ni sese ya ko district nsu ebo du hwara o de yedu ho it is all bande dia district ya ka da district dia wa man 10 kilometers of asphalt ya ba so da nanu mo so ogu beji no bia se na jo dam akoni onko de ye dam na kakra ya mo aka no so ya hwede ma bibia obama emano wonya ne nkampa wefra
Openpa oda mfimfi mantam eye regional house of chiefs no ano se president no eye odefo amwakwa buadu a otoso enwotwe ejina nananom anim eda eye vice president ase se watimi etutu anamo aba wo mo akache na osanso echemu se kwan bi omo so befa so omo ne regional coordinating council ebe kan bom na omatimi edi dwuma bia beboa ma aban ne nwuma bia odi ewo mfimfi mantam ha no ebe nanim no ombe bomodin na omo ayenisa osanso edito mpanyinfo anim se omo modin na big push agenda ekwan na yeye ne ewo mfimfi mantam no omo modin nya ne ntentem so ohyew se ne be ye beboa ama edwadie ene akwaniaba akoye ewo mfimfi mantam
so ta so no yedwuma no ahwe the opportunity empa ya wona yenso yetu ayena edaboa yendom excellency tunya na nanum wa na nka wode boa no yes tume no gradually tume no eba fun na nka na nanum nya tunya ko bituma boa de sensa na work our regional of chiefs national of chiefs tume aba fun no you are a woman of record set record so won be see na nanum wo tuye den e pejani se obetumi wahwɛ na wayɛ nya saa tum na yɛbɛtumi yɛaboa asen ma yɛyɛ siesie yɛsrɛsi bebree wɔ hɔ a yɛbɛtumi yɛakena nso mbere nti ne medwen yɛde ndase ma wo na ɔmanpanyin wɔ dwuma ahorow a moahyɛ ase moyɛ na akasa nanam yɛn so yɛayɛ krado yɛayɛ ready sɛ yɛno bɛbom na yɛayɛ na yɛn bere ebia wo nana wotumi set record yi wo nana no yɛabom yɛ set another record for the central region niwie yɛhwɛbɔ sɛ nyame ayɛ adom na yɛn de hye yɛn ba wabɛyɛ the first female vice president a yɛbɛhwɛ na wasucceed yɛn mpaebɔ na wɔkeka biribi a yɛbɛtum biara yɛbɛ ne ahwɛ na dwumadi a wɔda hyɛ nso as vice president of the nation yɛahwɛ na abɛn yɛn nipa yi de yɛahoɔden ɛso fi nyame nankasa ɔndo ho ɔma mo nyansa ahoɔden apomden nkwa na dwumadi a wɔda hyɛ mo nsa monyɛ na mborɔ so nyame nhyira mo
Nebejina nananom ensemi so na yede Coastal TV anopei kasebo ni nyina aba no ewieye ewa ha ene yedi ni nyina ebesi na mom no ye ewie kasebo na ne yempon ye morning mix dwumadie no ena uguso a wo hwe no eye channel 514 isanso Facebook ene YouTube modern ase obekọ ho na efe wo follow ye wa like wa comment send the link no fama obi na efe Coastal TV ebusu no enya kese kopem se ebeye kese ye twan ho agya boafo nkrato ne ye ba maka hyew se ene no yebedi empoano nkomo ewofiase ane yebedi empoano nkomo ewofiase yensa campaign for a omufri eye sewefia na ye no omo eba betwetwe nkomo aka tiche ye ka no sanitation anaso se once ewo ye coastal areas enama yedi ene ne eka ka ho na ye pese ye hwe saa kwan no ene se na ebe ya eno so ebesiye ewo mfimfi mantem ene Ghana nyina nti bomode ya se ubeka ye ho na unyi wafidie no emfiase ye ntwe ho nya boafo nkrato ye basesia
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo obi bia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun asobone ewo apomodensem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum jejumayefo ana posifo no momehwe so ano utumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Move. Abedimpo. Fisheries Commission. Kanu Council. Aiko. Kwami Kofi Kinata. Nyame no boni wiase. No boy epu kesi na nimu nyame ina. Obosu kweruru eben ekan sa follow anjina umo. No bobo so kasenara senior man falfu benye sika oyepui ya bori na ma oyensi eto na chinam epiala sonde sikenyi bi no nyi pese munkuminya obiala le hwehwe mana kubenya ti wale yepui ma wope biala intiana puya mosayeli yeni da chinchili ma wansu walibe wabeyeden intiene puya mosa yeli misonde da chinchili ma wansu walibe wabeyeden light ayado ko budi yenje dynamite ni yenje kabide no so yenje na tinki ni yenje sikaya blente ni yenje Kalari no yenje, woman yenje. Canada Tuesday fishing yenje. So close season number. Yamman I'm a number. Now one to now $1 from my analo. What am I making? Western, Central, Greater Accra, Volta, East Coast, Bokulobite. You can my fall for one free. Aba sisirimum tabulum mi pa edidi recording ke yemfe edidi da na sisirimum tabulum mi pa na edidi recording ke yemfe edidi da na fate phone se mara won bi a chal pa lazima se fele buzo na she pa le Vota taube, olela ejiji pa Niga me ukage, ubi wana ekweche pa Wako Mama ganshona Joy so alu awun show me Te a fete luwa ibola Ke ufoya no le a ke bola No balu Ganshona Joy so alu awun show me Te a fete luwa ibola Ke ufoya no le a ke bola No balu Ibalu Blangana ibalu Ibalu Blangana ibalu Tata iti Galaba Tata iti Galaba Tata iti Sije ina brabo galisuwawa Sije ina brabo galisuwawa Sije Mama nam kakama no kwande winyi Na wana nubi na baya shaka Semin Light ayado popu dini yenje Dynamite in the yenje Kabide no so yenje na tinki in the yenje Sikaya blent in the yenje Kalari no yenje woman yenje Canada Tuesday fish in the yenje So close season number Yamana menembere na wantu na wawuna $1 for me yanalo. Nafak, Gita, Tunafo, Inshofo, Sefcon, Mofad, FCWC, SFMP. Elwa Ebola, Eufaya no Leake Ebola, Nubalu, Ibalu, Nangana Ibalu.